Hi there, welcome to today's video. If you've ever wanted more control over who can reply to your Instagram stories, this tutorial is for you. I'll guide you step by step on how to manage story reply settings on the Instagram app using an Android phone. Let's get started right now. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Now click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and select Messages and Story Replies. Now, tap on Story Replies to access your reply options. You will see three options: Allow replies from all followers or Allow replies from followers you follow back or Don't allow story replies. Choose the option that best suits your privacy needs by tapping on it. The change will be saved automatically. And that's it. You now know how to control who can reply to your Instagram stories on Android. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.